Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. I wish you a very happy Diwali to you and your loved ones. So today I'm going to show you how I created this Diwali look. I love how there's just some sparkle, some shine on the eyelids and peachy lips. I also thought of pairing it with a bindi. It looks cute, right? I also wanted to share some news with you guys. In the beginning of the month, my mother passed away and it's been really difficult for me. It's been hard for all of us in my family and I took a 2 weeks break. I wasn't been able to shoot for obvious reasons. I just realized that eventually I have to go back to work. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Yeah, and now let's get started. Recently my skin has started becoming extremely dry, so I'm gonna use the K-Beauty primer drops and I'm gonna put it all over my face. It just feels like my skin is drinking this stuff up. It's so hydrating. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade 123. I'm just going to apply a very little amount. Put it all over my face and then just blend it. I have been using this foundation constantly in my videos because I love how skin-like it looks. I'm also going to apply the remaining amount on my eyelids. It just looks so skin-like, and that is exactly why I love wearing this foundation. I am going to use my favorite concealer, but बहुत गंदी shape में है ये. This is from Sugar. It's the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. I'm just gonna place it like in 3 dots, and I'm just going to use a flat brush. This is from Nykaa. It's their foundation brush. I'm using this to blend my concealer and then slowly blend the edges also. Now it's blended completely. Now I'm going to use my K-Beauty loose powder. It's in the shade Banana, and I'm just going to place it very lightly on my under eye area. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take the Lakme Micro Brow Perfector, and I twisted this spoolie thing because it's so much more easier for me to apply. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. Next, for my eyes, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Palette. Also, before doing my eyes, I'm going to dust some powder on my eyelids. Guys, I forgot to switch on my background lights and now it's on. So now it's looking great. So I'm going to use this brown shade in my crease area and just give some definition to the crease of my eyes. Then I am going to take this burgundy shade. It's such a beautiful shade. If you have any burgundy shade, you can use that. This one's a little like a mauvey burgundy. It looks gorgeous. It's not sparkly, but it's got a satin finish. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyes, just like that. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna pick up some of the brown that I applied on my crease. And then I'm also gonna use this burgundy shade and apply it on my lower lash line. Nothing too loud, you'll be able to see the color, but then it'll be subtle. Now, what is Diwali without some sparkles? And I am going to use this beautiful shimmer. And this is a very good mix of gold and silver. Just apply in the center of the eyelids. And knowing me, I might take it all over the eyelids. If you get any fallout, just flick it with a brush. Now I'm going to add the same burgundy shade on the outer corners of my eyes, like just the outer corners. Actually, I'm going to take this sparkly shade all over my eyelids because I love it so much. So I'm also going to put it on the inner third area of my eyes and take it all over. I already love it, guys. Now I'm going to take the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. I'm going to draw a line like an eyeliner very close to the lash line. And I'm also going to draw the tiniest wing. I'm going to tight line my eyes. So just close the eyes and oh my god, I am loving this look. I'm going to use the mascara, and this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. And I'm also going to apply it on my lower lash line. I just applied some false lashes, and these are from Renee. Guys, if you hear some noise, it's just that my cook is here and she's cooking in the kitchen right now. Next, for my bronzer, I am going to use this My Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. So I'm just going to mix both and then press it on the sides of my cheeks and then slowly blend it. I'm just going to contour my jawline. I'm also going to contour my nose today. For my blush, guys, today I'm going to use the Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. It's got such beautiful pink blushes. I don't know if it's available on Nykaa or not. Everything will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And I am going to use this shade today. I actually bought this palette long time back after watching Shan. I think that's Jacqueline's makeup artist. And I saw him use this palette on her. And the blush showed up great on her skin, so I instantly bought it. A little bit on my nose also. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm going to take some and apply it only on the high points of my face where the light is going to reflect. I'm not going to put it all over my face. Guys, I often use the same products again and again because I don't really care about using different products, like new products, each time I make a video, because what works for me works for me. I only repeat products which works great for me so that you guys can buy those products and completely be happy with those products, because I am. So just on my cheekbones, on my nose and my chin, and a little bit on the forehead. Also, don't forget the brow bone area and the inner corners of the eyes. I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Cherry Brown. And I'm going to line my lips with this. I'm going to use the Smashbox Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Driver's Seat. And this is a beautiful peach shade. It looks beautiful with red. Oh, a bindi. Oh my god, a bindi. I just forgot to wear a bindi. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And if you did, then don't forget to like, comment what look you want me to do next, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And happy Diwali to you all, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.